Have you ever noticed? Ocean waves never seem to stop.
No one's stirring, little rabbit. Waves are created by wind and energy moving across the water's surface.
When the wind blows, it pushes the water, creating small ripples to begin with.
These ripples meet and combine their energy, and that's how ocean waves are formed.
Waves get bigger when the wind is stronger and blows for longer.
Across the ocean, the wind never stops, so the waves don't either.
But, Professor, what if there's no wind?
Even when the wind stops, waves continue to move due to inertia. It's like when we throw a pebble into a lake. The ripples move, but the water mostly stays put.
Waves can travel thousands of miles before they break on the shore.
When waves reach shallow water, the bottom slows down, and the top keeps going, and the wave breaks. That's why waves crest and curl, a beautiful dance of physics.
Professor, are there other kinds of waves?
Are there kinds of waves? Yes, there are underwater currents deep below, created by differences in temperature and salinity. Waves also carry energy that can be used to generate electricity for humans. One day, ocean waves will light up our cities.
Waves are not just physics. They're the breath of the earth. Listen closely. The waves tell a story of energy, persistence, and harmony. Listen closely. The waves tell a story of energy, persistence, and harmony.